Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is a important warning for Google Chrome users and Chromium-based browser users. So, of course, yesterday, Wednesday, there was the weekly security updates for Google Chrome, and most of them, of course, are based on Chromium browsers that and Chromium open source, which means that all browsers will be affected by one particular security flaw that Google actually updated a little blog post saying that in the updates that were released yesterday, May the 14th, one of them is in the wild. It's an exploit that's already out there, so hackers, bad guys already know it. And what it does is it actually is a flaw that gives the possibility to any anyone trying to exploit it, to gain full access and even gain full access to accounts. So this means that you really need to check for updates. Also for the Chromium browsers, make sure that there's an update this week, as this high severity flaw is actively exploited in the wild on the internet. So all you need to do is either click a link that opens Chrome and brings you to a bad page, or simply visiting a bad page that has that code, the perfect code to exploit this flaw. So once again, upper right corner, 3 vertical dots, help about Google Chrome. Make sure that you update to 136.0, 7103.113 or 114, depending on Mac, Linux, or Windows. And this fixes, of course, these flaws. It fixes 4 flaws in total, but one is in the wild, already exploited by hackers out there. So be careful. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.